Good looking car. And so is that one. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, there's quite a few really nice hot rods. Custom style. And AG, I got one for you, buddy. Show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if it's true or not, but it could be. Robot in disguise, come on. Decepticon flavor. Beautiful Nova. Here's the Nova. Nice Nova. Beautiful orange truck. Step side style. Dodge Charger. Very nice. And a lowered down Ford Deluxe. If I can get the grip of how low this thing is. Yes, sir. Down on the ground, baby. Yeah. Seen that guy going down the interstate a while ago. Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful. I've still not covered everybody's cars, but got a lot of them in. Like these old Chevrolet trucks too. Pretty sweet. Distracted by that vehicle going down Main Street there. Let's have one of them trucks. It's the old El Camino. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think. God bless.